Hi there, I'm Chris Franklin from Franklin Industries. We specialize in log and timber restoration, both commercial and residential. And today, we're at the Karamias Rodeo Grounds to do an assessment on the work that needs to be done here for the season. Specifically, we're going to be looking at a little log cabin that's been neglected for over a decade. So what I'm going to do is take a close look and see what needs to be done. I'm looking for rot, I'm looking for UV damage, I'm looking for insect damage, also any sort of structural damage. It looks like somebody backed up into the main post and knocked it out of place. So that's a major structural issue. The main problem here is the UV damage to the stain, which has completely failed over 90% of the building. We're going to take our glass blasting method and bring that back to brand new again. Noticing the checks and the gaps, chinking and caulking is definitely going to have to be done on this building to prevent any sort of water damage or insect infiltration. It'll really help make our building look brand new again. So make sure you check out the next video and see the progress of our restoration. And perhaps we can be a service to help you with your restoration needs. Feel free to call or to send us an email, and we will get back to you right away.